All right, I just got to my hotel in Bucharest, Romania, and I have to dive into this AI video editing tool called Pika. You can check it out at the domain Pika.art. Now, what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna go over the setup, how easy it is to learn, as well as the cost saving analysis. Does it actually save you time? And lastly, the cost analysis. Is it worth the money you're gonna pay for it? Again, Pika.art. Let's dive in. Okay, so for starters, when I came to this platform, Pika, I expected that all these ideas that I have for videos or video ads, I can just put a simple prompt in and it can kind of put it together. Unfortunately, this platform is not that. It requires some education, learning how to piece things together and stuff like that. And for me, at least for myself, I don't have a whole ton of time to dive really deep into one platform. And as you know, when you watch these videos of me talking about these AI tools, I want to be able to learn it, pick it up real quick, right? Or at least delegate it to somebody that can learn it real quick. In this case here, there is some time involved in learning how to piece things together. In Pika, the platform does not an all-encompassing platform where you put in a prompt and it gives you a video. It can do that in a way where you get these little short videos, but nothing kind of extensive, which is what I was hoping with the Pika platform. But I will dive into a few cool features I was playing around with. First, you have these kind of templates. This is my dog. You can grab the template of a dog and it gives a little, like, it makes a squeaky sound as well when you're pushing it, which is kind of cool, kind of fun. My son, my kids loved it. My kids are huge fans of the platform. All these different types of kind of cool effects. So there's tons of them to choose from. And so as an advertiser, I didn't find too much use in those, but you know, they are something you can kind of have fun to play with, like you feel, stuff like kind of cool. But again, great for social media content, kind of fun. But when it goes into actually making a video, a lot more goes into it. Describe your story. What we'll do here is I'm gonna just test out a prompt and let's see what it can do for me. All right, so I'm gonna describe a story. Quick little Claude prompt gave me this. A sharp-dressed businessman with a growth briefcase enters a dense jungle path. Within seconds, he's distracted, lunging towards a colorful parrot, then spinning to follow a slithering snake, then stopping dead as the tiger prowls past. Each distraction pulls him deeper off course. Okay, let's see what Pika can do with that prompt. It's always in high demand. So I just got to wait for it. But you know, my thought with that is that it's actually going to give me just a little 5-second snippet. I'll be very impressed if it can put together a bit of a video for that, but let's see what Pika can come back from that prompt. Here's what it came back with, right? So it actually got most of what I was looking for here. And it is a little wonky with the hand and the parrot. Looks like it is combined or something there. That's a little weird, but it does kind of follow the instructions. So a sharp-dressed businessman with a growth briefcase enters a dense jungle path, okay? Within seconds, he's distracted, lunging towards a colorful parrot, then spinning to follow a slithering snake. All right, he got the snake. Snake doesn't really look like a snake. It looks like it shedded its skin. I didn't ask for that. And then let's see the tiger. What happens with the tiger here? It's like a weird snake looking tiger. So you get the idea. So with the platform, you can see if you combine a bunch of these small 5-second clips and maybe make it not as complicated, that you can maybe put together a pretty interesting ad using AI. So all in all, with the Pika platform, you know, it may be beneficial for you if you can create these short little 5-second snippets. For example, only asking the prompt, have a man in a suit walking through the jungle. And then the second clip would be, show a clip of a snake slithering through the grass towards a businessman. Like, you have to make it super simple and combine these 5-second clips to make maybe a 30-second Facebook ad. That could be beneficial. It is time consuming to do that. You have to spend some time, get the prompts right. You may succumb to frustration if you find you're trying to get the exact same businessman duplicated into a secondary clip. There are some challenges around that.
Does it save time? Not really. It actually adds probably time to your busy schedule because you have to put all these clips together, maybe send all these clips to an editor and have them edit it for you. But in terms of cost analysis, you're looking at $28 per month for the Pro plan. Now, the big difference between the Pro plan and the standard plan is pretty much you don't have a watermark on your video and you can use it for commercial use. So that's $28 per month for the Pro, $8 a month for the standard, or you can just get the basic, which allows you to get a little bit of credits. You can play around with the platform. If you're interested at all in Pika, try the basic for sure to start. I personally did not see value in the Pro. Again, I maybe didn't scratch the surface enough to really understand the platform and how I could best use it. There are probably some better ways to do it. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section if you are using the Pika platform and you find better ways of using it. But for me, it's okay. Make some pretty cool clips for some Facebook ads or some organic content. But aside from that, that's my review of Pika. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share, and comment below. Until next time, we'll see you soon.